Okay, let us start formally. Once again, I am repeating for you people that gaseous exchange involves two processes. One called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration means the breaking down of CH bonds of glucose inside the cells to release the energy in the form of ATP. You people are, I think so, familiar with the term ATP. So this process is called cellular respiration. If if the cells are breaking down the glucose in the presence of enough amount of oxygen, we call it aerobic respiration. While if the cells are breaking down glucose without enough oxygen or without oxygen, we can say it anaerobic respiration. So we can say that cellular respiration is a chemical is a process in which all the chemical processes are taking place. It's all about the breaking down of the CH bonds, releasing of the energy and all that. While on the other side, if we talk about the breathing is a physical process. Breathing means it's a physical process. Physical process means here the organs are involved. Lungs are specialized for this purpose, in which we can breathe in oxygen, we can give out carbon dioxide. So in this topic, one by one, first of all, we will talk about the gaseous exchange in plants, then we will go for the gaseous exchange in animals, and then we will talk about the different diseases that are related to the gaseous exchange. Okay, in particularly in our today's topic, we will go through the gaseous exchange in plants. So have a look of, if you talk about the plants, first of all, we can categorize the whole plant's body part first. This, if you can have a look of this called leaves. This is a leaf. So every plant is having the leaves, and this is basically the site where the photosynthesis is taking place. This portion, this is a woody portion. For the you can say mature plants, it turn into a hard bark. It is a woody portion. For the normal plants, for the green ornamental plants, it's mostly in the form of the, you can say, or the young plants, it's in the form of a green color, which is this portion, the outside portion is not that much hard. Okay, so whenever we talk about the gaseous exchange, each and every part of the plant, either its leaves, either its stem, either its roots, each and every part of the plant is involved in the exchange of gases. Okay, how is involved in the exchange of gases? Have a look of this leaf. This is the front side of the leaf. I always told you people, if we have a look of this side of the leaf, it look like having a shiny or the oily appearance. Do you people remember why it's having the shiny and the oily appearance? Because it is having a cuticle layer. This side, the front side of the leaf, is having the cuticle layer, which is supposed to prevent the excessive loss of water from the plant. Okay, now turn back. At the back side of this, you can even feel it. This is the front side. It's little shimmery, shiny. It's having a cuticle layer. Now come toward the back side. This back side is dull in appearance. If we just go through the minute observation of this leaf, we will come to know that at the back side of this leaf, many small pores are present. Those pores, we call it stomata, and stomata are basically responsible for the exchange of gases through leaves. I am once again repeating, this back portion that we call stomata is responsible for the exchange of leaves. So for the exchange of gases inside the leaves. These are the small pores which are present at the back side of the leaves. Now come toward this portion, we call it, it's a woody stem. We can see it, woody stem. If we just go through the minute observation of this portion, even you can if we I just when I cut it, it's still fresh. You can see the whitish portion, which is having the two kind of the tissues inside it that we call xylem and the phloem tissues, that are responsible for the transport of water and mineral salts, and especially the phloem tissues, which are responsible for the transport of the food which is being prepared in the leaves during the photosynthesis to the each and every part of the plant where it's needed. Okay, Whenever we look, whenever we will have a close look of this portion, we will find the small pores in this wood portion that we call lenticels. What we call it? Lenticels. These lenticels are the you can say these lenticels are the small pores within this woody part, which are responsible for the exchange of gases inside the stem. Is it clear? In the same way, if we go through the you can say minute observation, the close observation of the root hair cells, yes, the root hair cells are also having the small pores that we call the small pores which are responsible for the exchange of the gases. So I think so now we can formally start with the reading of the book. Okay.